Most people apply for Walmart Spark, and then panic when the background check takes longer than expected. But here's the truth no one tells you. The timeline is not fixed, and it depends on multiple factors inside the system of Walmart and its third-party screening partners. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming something is wrong just because your check is not instant. In many cases, delays are completely normal. In this video you will learn exactly how long the Walmart Spark driver background check takes in 2026, what affects the timing, and what you should do while waiting. Let's break it down step by step. First, the typical background check for Walmart Spark drivers usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to several days. In most smooth cases, it can clear within 24 to 72 hours. But here's the problem. Not everyone gets the same speed. Now here's where it gets interesting. The background check is handled by third-party verification systems that review your driving record, criminal history, and identity details. If everything is clean and matches instantly, approval is fast. But if anything needs manual review, it slows down. For example, someone named Alex applied and got approved in under an hour because all records matched perfectly. But another applicant, Jake, had a small mismatch in address history, and his check took 5 days to complete. So what causes delays? The most common reasons include high application volume, identity verification mismatches, outdated DMV records, or additional screening requirements, depending on your location. Now let's talk about what you should do while waiting. First, check your email regularly. Any request for extra documents will come there. Second, make sure your app profile information matches your legal documents exactly. Even small differences in spelling or address formatting can slow things down. But here's something most people don't realize. Repeatedly checking or reapplying does not speed up the process. It can actually create confusion in the system. If your background check goes beyond 5 to 7 business days, that is when you should consider contacting support through the Spark Driver onboarding portal. Another important point is that weekends and holidays can also extend processing time because some verification systems operate only on business days. So what should you expect overall? In most cases, approval happens within 1 to 3 days. In slower or more complex cases, it can take up to a week or slightly more. The key takeaway is simple. A delay does not mean rejection. It usually just means additional verification is happening in the background. So stay patient, keep your information consistent, and monitor your email closely. If this helped, like the video, comment your application timeline, and subscribe for more real-world Spark Driver guides. You will be better prepared for your approval process and know exactly what to expect next.